Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to save your games and your PlayStation 5 save data to a USB stick on your PlayStation 5. So if something happens to it and you don't got PlayStation Plus, you can use this as like a memory stick. Just go to save settings right here and going down to where it says system. Go to right under system software to backup and restore. Then go to backup your PS5, plug in your USB drive. Go to yes. And then it's going to say, please wait for the next minute or two. You can just leave it here. And then on the left, you can see what you can transfer. You can transfer your games and apps to the USB drive. Your save data is probably the only thing you really want to transfer over there. But you got your screenshots and your video clips and your settings. So if something happens, maybe I would only transfer over my save data and my settings. So I can download my games in the future, and my internet is quite quick. But those are the things I probably wouldn't be able to download if I don't have PlayStation Plus. So if you do have PlayStation Plus, all those will automatically be backed up, except settings. I don't believe will be backed up at all. So it's just going to say please wait, and once it goes away, you can select each file. There's a little check mark right next to it, and then you can just see how much available space you have. And then you can go to next. And that will take a long time if you're transferring over games. It could take like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hours, depending on how much information you're transferring. And then you can go back. So it gives me the option. So if it keeps going to please wait more than 2 minutes, just press back and it allows me to go to this section now. So I'd probably do this, but it looks like my save data is 21 gigabytes, so that's a lot. And then we can go to restore. In the future, if anything ever happens, we can restore it right here. So you can pretty much use this as a backup memory stick if something were to happen. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.